Breast cancer is the most common today, especially in the urban population, and is one of the most common cancer a woman is facing today. So, welcome Dr. Murli. Let's have some discussion on this topic. So, can you tell us the cause of breast cancer and things every woman should know about breast cancer?
As I told in the previous video, that the cancer has three important ways to get into that. One
Yes.
is, it could be environmental, the other one is genetic, and then the lifestyle. In breast cancer, most people think that genetic is more important. It is important, but it attributes only to about, say, 10% of the breast cancer cases.
Okay.
So the remaining almost 80 to 90% of cases are what we call in our language as sporadic in nature. That is, it comes by chance. So there are other factors like lifestyle we need and environmental factors which are involved. For particularly in breast cancer, the age at which the particular patient attains menopause and the menopause, and then the number of children they have, whether they have breastfed or not. So these are some of the strong risk factors which lead into breast obesity.
Cancer.
Obesity is also one important factor for breast cancer. Yeah.
Doctor, what are the symptoms and signs every woman should know about breast cancer?
I always tell that get to the doctor even before any symptoms reach. That is, screening is the best thing. When you don't have any symptoms, get to the doctor and know whether you have it or not, or can be detected in very early stage when there are no symptoms. Having said that, yes, there are some symptoms which you can look for. If it is already there, those are clear warning signs of the cancer, breast cancer itself. Like a formation of a new lump which was not there before, then the nipple discharge, the retraction of nipple, the change in the shape of the breast. So these are some of the factors which say that, okay, there is something wrong going on. You need to immediately meet your physician and get that one sorted out.
Doctor, how can every woman protect herself from breast cancer?
Yeah, this is a very, very important question today. This is one of the most important cancer which can be detected at a very early stage, and the cure rates are as close to 100%. So if there are two ways. One is if you are looking at a normal risk patient, and there are high risk patients. There are two types. An individual can be at a normal risk or at a higher risk. So if an individual is at a normal risk, that means there is no family history of a breast cancer or no family history of ovarian cancer. So that individual falls under a standard risk or a normal risk. So that patient over the age of 40 years should get mammogram once in a year. And there is something called breast self-examination. All the women should know about breast self-examination, and they should conduct breast self-examination once a month. There are a lot of videos available on the social media about these breast self-examination. One should visit those sites and understand how to do the breast self-examination. And then once in 6 months, if you're visiting your family physician for some other ailment, it could be a common cold or a cough, you're going to see your doctor, just ask your doctor or nurse to examine your breast. That is called physician breast examination. So you can either do a breast self-examination once a month. When you meet your family physician, you can do a physician breast examination. And over the age of 40 years, once a year, screening mammogram is recommended. In some cases, when the risk is high, like when there is a stronger family history, we recommend MRI of the breast instead of the normal X-ray mammogram.
Doctor, can you tell us the different various stages of breast cancer?
So when I say it is early breast cancer, the cancer is early, you need to understand what are the stages which are called as early, and then which are the stages which are advanced. This is a very, very important and pertinent question. So a cancer which is largely limited to the breast only is called a first stage breast cancer. So a cancer which has moved from the breast to the armpit, or what we call axilla, it is called a second stage
Second stage, okay.
breast cancer. So a cancer which has moved from the armpit and then into the neck area, that is called as a third stage breast cancer. So a cancer which has arisen from the breast and has involved some organs like lungs or bones or liver, which are kind of distant spread.
Okay.
So this is a very advanced stage. This is called a stage 4 breast cancer. So effectively there are 4 stages.
4 stages.
1, 2, 3 and 4. So in most cases, if it is a 1, 2 and 3, there are effective treatments to completely cure breast cancer.
Okay.
In a stage 4 disease, so the disease is a little bit more advanced, but then cure is a difficult task in this stage, but then
understand.
it can be effectively controlled.